Welcome to this interview conducted by Logic School of Management, where we have four of our CMA qualified professionals who are presently placed at H&R Block, which is one of the world's largest tax filing company based in US. They have been placed in their Trivandrum office as executives handling finance and accounts, and they will be joining in the month of July 2020. We are here to share their story, to share their experience as qualified professionals, what has happened, what is their experience, what has been their learning curve while searching for the dream job. Let me welcome this morning CB Matthew, Srividya, Akshay, and Bacha. Thank you all for coming for this session. I know we live in a very difficult time, especially because getting that dream job, especially during this lockdown situation where we have a pandemic situation where we do not know what the future holds in front of us. It's very tough to get a good job, especially in this present situation. So I want to start with Sibi as to share, and especially Sibi is coming as a MBA graduate. She's completed more than 1 year of experience working with HDFC Bank. She is today a certified management accountant. How was it, Sibi, as you started your journey moving from a banking job to a finance job? How has been the search looking for a job in a reputed firm? How has been your journey? Could you share, please throw in some light?
Hello, sir. After CMA, I thought I had achieved everything because I am a postgraduate and a CMA qualification. I was waiting for a job and to crack it. But the real scenario was different. When I first attended an interview, I saw a room full of candidates who were applying for a job. But late in 2018, when I applied for a job, there were only few people and there only one round for you to crack and get into a job profile. But now the situation is entirely different from 2018. It is a tough competition world. You can see candidates having similar qualifications like you. You should have something extra in order to overcome the candidates like you. So I started to prepare such a way that I will able to overcome these candidates who have similar qualification and same experience as me, and to have something extra in order to be picked up by these companies. So I started my journey by preparing such a way, sir.
Thank you, Sibi, for those thoughts. Srividya, you're also one person who comes with some level of experience. You worked as an analyst, you worked in Royal Bank of Scotland, and you also have some internship experience working under a chartered accountant. So could you share some light as in how has been your journey searching for a job? Especially, I think you were more specific to look for a job in Kerala. So how has been your experience while job hunting?
Yeah, I thought I would immediately get a job once I clear my examinations. That, however, did not happen. Primarily because the economic cycles weren't churning properly. Also, I wasn't actively looking for a job outside Kerala. Also, I think the supply of job seekers far exceeded the demand for them. Despite posting openings, many companies weren't really ready to intake people. Yeah.
Understood. Yeah. Akshay, next is we've heard experiences about what CB and Srividya mentioned coming from some level of experience. But Akshay is someone who is actually a fresher, but who's done academically quite well across his academic journey, be it his graduation, be it his BCom, having done his graduation from one of the most prestigious institutions, Sacred Heart Stevara. Seeing his records, he's always scored 90-95% plus. So he comes with a lot of academic excellence. How has been your journey coming from an academic, I would say, an excellent person in academics? How has been your journey while you step out looking for a job?
So no matter how many marks you've scored, or no matter how many qualifications you possess, you should have certain skills to be employable, and you
Right.
should push yourself really hard in that direction.
Yeah.
So that was the biggest realization during this job hunting phase.
But
It's
did
not
you
about
feel that? But did you feel, Akshay, that I'm someone, I'm a graduate from Sacred Hearts. I'm today a certified management accountant. So getting a job will not be a hard task. What was your feeling?
So initially my thought process was in that direction, but later I realized that you should have certain skills. Like, it's not about where you learned or how many marks you've scored. It's about some skills, and that makes you employable. That's important.
Yeah. So I can say that if you don't have the skill, you'll be killed.
Of course, sir. Of course, of course.
Okay. Right. Okay. Bacha. Bacha is someone who's finished his graduation. He has 1 month of internship experience. He's worked in some part into technology. He hails from Idiki again, like Akshay, but he was a totally fresher. But his, I think, his attitude and his uh, don't die attitude has helped him, I think, to succeed to get this job. And he's put a lot of effort. Right. So, Bacha, can you share your experience, how it has been while searching for this job, and how do you think that you were successful to get this job? And what is your experience after you started qualifying your certified management accounting program? How has been your experience searching for a job?
CMA USA was a memorable moment in my life, or the course that chose is very good for me. After my graduation, I thought that what should I prefer after my graduation, and I searched for many accounting courses and many professional courses, and I choose CMA USA. And I think that that's the right decision in my life. And when I'm searching for a job, I feel the difficulty that I lack many communication skills and many presentation skills. And if I go for an interview, I will not prepare for that interview, and I will simply go there and simply attend that interview, and I will not go through the basics also. So I realized that this is not fair for an interview. I should prepare more, and I should be more communicative also. And I should read many newspaper, and should watch many movies, and should improve my communication skills. So I realized these things when I searching for a job.
Thank you, Bacha. So, having understood this as an issue, Logic School of Management, along with few corporates from the industry, we were able to conduct a specific program understanding the skill gap. And all of these four CMA holders were able to undergo this program. There were others also who could undergo this program. So if you can share, all of you can share some thoughts, what has helped you in this program. I think Toby was one person who was as an instructor, and initially we thought, like, especially going for a company like H&R Block, their focus area will be taxation. So we initially thought, let's focus on taxation, but we understood that it's not just about taxation, but rather about getting your basics right. And that is the one program that we did for like 4 days, and all of you could attend this program in the month of March. Many were invited, but few chose the program, and we had around 10 students who attended this workshop. So can you throw some light about this workshop program? I'll start with Sydney again, ladies first, then I'll go through Sri Vidya.
When I so when I first attended the program, I was first confused. I didn't know where to start and where to begin. So when I attended, I understood about the basic concept. In CMA and all other my graduation course, I focused on the bigger picture and forgot on the finer details, small details like basic accounting, your communication skill, your confidence level. I was able to achieve all this through the training course. Toby sir also taught about the importance of basic, the journal entries, the ledger, posting, all of these have been forgetting. I started to recap all this, and also it helped me in improving my communication skills. They told me how to present myself, how to be confident, how to attend an interview. This is what I received from the training section.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, Srividya, I remember during the process, the training program, finalization of accounts is something that everyone knows. It's something that you study even in your 12th. But when it comes to finalization of your accounts on Excel, I found a lot of the students having some level of confusion. What happened during the workshop when you were asked to do a finalization of accounts on an Excel sheet?
Yeah, that
What
was
happened?
yeah, that was quite difficult. It took a lot of time for us to actually find the solution for such problems. Also, I had almost forgotten the basics of accounting. It was after attending the class I focused so much on improving the knowledge on basics of accounting. Unless you have knowledge of basics, you won't be able to crack any interviews. So I focused on gaining more and more knowledge on the basics of accounting. Yeah.
Understood. Yeah. Thank you. Akshay, uh, when it comes to an interview, always they say your concept, your fundamental has to be right, your funda has to be right, and your conceptual clarity has to be right. So how has this helped you? Because conceptual clarity is something that you can probably read and understand also. But how has Toby's session helped you to get your conceptual clarity right? How has it been able to, how have you been able to connect your theory and your practice together?
So I had no idea about the way I should be preparing for the interview. But Toby sir made a huge difference the way I intended and the way I performed into the interview. Uh, he was not just spoon feeding us. He was making us learn by ourselves. Realization about the self was the biggest lesson. Where do you stand as in terms of knowledge and skill? That was the biggest lesson, and learning by ourselves. That was the biggest lesson and the biggest achievement of that session.
Understood. Understood. Yeah. Bacha, I remember you giving a presentation, a part of the curriculum. We had a presentation. I remember your presentation also. Someone had not been able to come. You were covering up for their presentation also during that day. So, how has your presentation skills improved during this workshop, and how it has helped you, your presentation?
I like to talk to others, or I like to present anything in front of others. And I got a topic like cash flow statement, and I prepared for the prepared for that topic very well, and I can present it in an easy way. And also, this class helped me to improve my presentation skills and also communication skills, and to build some level of confidence in my life. And the class was very superb, and I got knowledge about many basic things like taxation, how taxation was done, how some accounting process was done, how journal was prepared, how ledger was prepared. So this much knowledge I got from that class, and the class was very nice and very helpful to me to improve my skills.
Understood. Understood. Let me come to Srividya. Srividya, you're 1% out of the 4 students who worked actually as an analyst. You worked in a banking scenario in an environment like that. And you have already some knowledge about what an analyst does. So coming with that experience and going through this training program, was there was there actually some new learning, or was it just refreshing what you already knew?
No, that job which I did in Royal Bank of Scotland was not at all related to accounts.
Understood.
It was you will be having access to back office. You'll collect details from there. You will have to do calculations. That's all. It has got nothing to do with accounts at all.
It's an often thing that I see when we go for placements. Okay, Srividya has worked in Royal Bank of Scotland. People often don't ask, what is your job? What are you actually doing? They fall in for the big names. They fall in for big titles and analyst position, different thing. But they don't understand and go beyond just the name. That is often that we've seen in many students. So
Yeah.
it's probably my advice that with my 15 years of experience as also as a certified management accountant, it's don't go by just the name, the brand. Also look at what kind of jobs is required for you to do. That is also very, very important. And especially you are starting your journey into the core finance and accounting. That is very, very important when you start your journey, right? And
Yeah.
I think it's a very good opportunity to start your career in finance and accounts. That's a great
Yes.
opportunity. So, what will be, how has the interview, or finally the interview was the main thing, right? You
Yeah.
had an HR round, you had a technical round to some level. The feedback I got from everyone was that actually the interview was not very tough,
Yeah.
right? You were at ease actually when you finished the interview. Whether you'll get selected or not is their choice, it's not your choice. But finally, the interview, you were happy. I did well for the interview. Could you share some thought, CB? What happened?
So when I first attended the interview, I was very tensed because my previous interview experience, I faced very difficulty because they were not free. They were asking many tough questions like we were not able to answer. So in accordance with that, I prepared in such a way. And also I got a training from Logic also. This made me help in attending that interview with confidence. And when I started to speaking with them confidently, they were also started to speak with me freely. So I was able to interact with them, and they were able to communicate as openly. So it was very good at first. Then I cleared the HR section. Then I came to the technical round. Technical round was also BTC because in the training section, basic accounts was focused. We also helped to improve in that. So it was basically as easy one when compared to other interviews I had, because this is because I prepared in well in advance than other interviews I had done.
Understood. Understood. Akshay, I know your questions also was not very difficult, but there was, I think, one question that you thought you didn't know completely, but you had the interview or probably the training helped you in some part, right? I think there was one specific question that you had mentioned. Could you throw in some light about your interview? What worked well? What didn't work well?
Yes. So I prepared well for the interview with the assistance of Toby sir and yourself. I prepared very well for the interview. I was anticipating the questions that they might ask, and I made myself prepared for that. But the interview session was entirely different. It was like an interactive section. The HR round, it was like a casual talk between friends, and nothing more than that. So my preparation go on vain because it was not like the way I anticipated. But the technical round, it was purely basics, nothing tough. But one question was entirely different from my thought it would come. It was like a P2P cycle. I've heard it in my graduation or somewhere. I was not. I couldn't remember about it, but I somehow managed to answer a bit. But she was very cooperative. She helped me in understanding what the P2P cycle is, and she explained to me what it is, and and she gave me full of confidence. It was not like you're on a gunpoint and I'm going to shoot you. It was not like that. She was very cooperative. She gave me the confidence.
Yeah, great. Bacha, uh, finally you have come to the other side, right? And you're very, very happy. I can see that on your face, right? But what is your advice to people who are still standing on the other side? There are a lot of people who are still swimming. There are a lot of people who are going to start swimming. There are a lot of people who are in some boat who are still trying to come to the other side. So what is your advice uh, to those people who are trying it hard to find a job? What is your advice to them? What is the secret mantra?
I think that all of you should don't think like that. After completing any course, even if it is even USA or CA, CCA, it's over. The journey starts from there. We should work hard for attending an interview or getting placed in a to big four companies like KPMG, and we should work very hard for that. And we should be able to communicate well to the interviewer, and we should read some newspaper, and we should go through many journals, articles, and we should watch some videos also. Then only we can communicate well, and we can present any topic in front of any person. So my advice is that don't lose your hope. Keep hard working and keep your prayer well. You will be in a better position in the future, and keep trying to improve your skills, your soft skills, and also your hard skills. So that's my advice to those who qualified CMA and those who are aspirants of CMA and all
One
other
thing
courses.
One thing I like about Bacha is his attitude. Okay, I'll tell you, Bacha has got this job just because of his attitude. Even now, Bacha is actually working in a firm. He's helping one of his cousins working in a firm to do their accounts. I think that don't die attitude has helped him really to, I think, to swim through this journey. Right, Bacha, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Srividya, uh, you have finally got a job in Kerala. Okay, you're coming from Palakkad, and now you're going to go to Trivandrum. Especially as a lady, okay, soon to be married in a couple of years, okay, I presume. Okay, how is it going to be like? You're going to leave from Palakkad all the way to Trivandrum. You have to travel half the state down south. Okay, Palakkad and Trivandrum, the culture is quite different. So to ladies looking out for a job, so to a person, okay, Palakkad, I can move to Cochin, but how is it going to be your journey, your shift from Palakkad to Trivandrum? What is your advice to the ladies hearing this interview?
Actually, that's not going to be a problem for me at all because I have my cousins there in Trivandrum. Also, my auntie stays somewhere near Karakutam only. So I don't think I would be able to render valuable advice to them.
Okay, no problem. Sibi, let me ask you the same question. Okay, because I understand that you're going to shift your home today because of this job from Kottayam uh, to Trivandrum with along with your mom, right? So,
Yes, sir.
what is your advice? Because ladies always try to be the comfort of their own home. Okay, so what is your advice to the ladies?
Sir, I'm a passionate worker. I always eager to work for something else. I don't like to sit at home. So I'll advise everyone, if it's your passion to work, go and achieve it. Go and conquer it. Don't sit at home and feel that this is my comfort zone. I'll ask everyone, not only ladies, everyone to come out of your zone and take risk and understand about the real job market. When you sit at home, everything is easy. But when you step out from your home, you will find difficulties, overcome the difficulties, and face life. I want everyone to face life. That's it.
Great, thank you.
Okay.
Akshay, I think I probably this is the last question. What is your advice finally as a fresher? Because most of our students out there are freshers. Okay, so what is your advice? Whether you score good marks or average marks, but finally you pass BCom by hook or crook. But what is your advice to certified management accountants or an ACCA or any professional, be it a chartered accountant? What is your advice to those students who aspire to enter into that corporate world?
Please don't consider it as an advice. It's an experience by a person who have gone through all this process. Uh, you have to be there at the right moment. That's very important, because if I couldn't attend the workshop, I wouldn't be able to attend the interview. So I was at the right moment. That was very important. I was there to grab my opportunity. That was really important. And then you should have a certain mindset. That's really important, to understand your weakness and to polish your strength. That's really important. And finally, you should understand that, or you should realize that the people, all the people around you will help you to reach till the interview board. To go beyond that, you have to push yourself really hard, and no one will be there at the interview board to help you. You have to push yourself really hard to develop your skills. It's
Right.
not advice, it's an experience by a person who have gone all this
But
process.
it is valuable advice. It is valuable. Srividya, Sibi, Badsha, Akshay, all thank you so much. Do you want to add anything? Anything you want to add further?
Sir, I would like to add, I would
Yes.
like to advise them also about try to achieve IT skills, because in the world of analytics and data governance, you should also do some certification course in Excel, Tableau, so that you can be picked up by the companies.
Yes.
When competing with CA and ACCA, these skills will help us to compete and be picked by the company, sir. So I would also like to advise about that.
Very true. Very true. Actually, Logic has a program in data analytics. Business analytics and data visualization. So it's not that you need to be an expert, but an exposure to
Yes.
these kind of things is very important, because
You should have a
especially
basic knowledge about what
yes.
they are asking.
Exactly. Because especially as management accountants, your primary role is not preparing of accounts, but rather your MIS reports. So I think, yes, it goes a lot to do with your knowledge about preparing MIS reports has a lot to do. Yeah. Srividya, any closing comments?
Try doing courses which would give edge to finance professionals, especially the IMA, which is the professional body that issues certificates to certified management accountants, has come up with so much free courses. So try doing them. Yeah. Upskilling yourself is the key, I think.
True, true.
Yeah.
Bacha,
Oh, sorry.
you are too
My advice is that don't,
Bacha. Tell me.
don't lose your opportunities. Opportunities will come only once in our life, because the workshop was an opportunity to attending an HNR block interview. So I utilized it, and I can crack the interview also. So my advice to everyone that is, don't lose your opportunity and don't lose your hope also. So then only you can be in a better position in the future.
Great, great, great. Akshay, anything else to add?
Enjoy whatever you're doing. That's the only thing I have to say. Enjoy your work. That's it.
Great, great, great. Thank you all so much for this time, for this interactive session, and I wish you all the very best. Remember always, the journey has only begun. You have to upskill for the rest of your life, right? Your journey as financial professionals has begun. It has begun well, and it has begun with a very reputed firm. And I wish you all the very best to the road ahead in your journey. Thank you so much for this interview, and thank you all for your time. All the best.
Logic School of Management.